I just press enter here at the setup screen. Welcome to setup. Found the IDE CD-ROM. If I wanted to put an additional one, I have to go put in a floppy disk, but I don't have that. Cylinders, just telling you that this is only supports so many cylinders, the 1024 cylinders, but I put a bigger file on here that I got from the update. Now we have to go to the page down, or the license agreement, Windows NT license agreement. You can read all this if you want to. I would recommend you try to read a little bit of it, but not all. You don't have to do all of it if you don't want to, but I'd recommend reading a little bit of it. Just go through all this. Press the page down button on your keyboard. And then when it gets to this page, press the F8 key. Now it's all got the regular all the computer, keyboard, mouse, ballpoint, whatever. All the different for the auto detect display and everything, and the type of PC it is. Click. Hit that for Windows. And we just hit the enter key after we've created the partition. Now it's going to perform. We'll now format drive C. It's formatting drive C. Now it's asking me to format the other one, the other drive, the installation drive. We're going to do NTFS. I just want to get this through. Do that one. Click enter. Now it's going to examine the hard disks. Now it's copying the files. Now it's telling me to take any disks out of the CD-ROM drive or A drive. Okay, let's see. We're on the boots, we're on the... It's booting. It's got Service Pack 1 on there. Uh-oh. It's converting, I think. Got to this. We got to the GUI setup. All right. Come on. Oh, it's frozen. Oh, it's checking the D drive. Maybe the A drive's bad, I don't know. It's copying from the C drive, or the D drive. The CD-ROM drive here. Okay, now I'm gonna go through the setup procedure. We're gonna click next. Come on. It's checking the A drive again. What the heck? I don't know. Alright. Type in the name. We're going to put in my name. We're going to pause it here for a second. Alright, we entered the CD key and now we're going to do it with the licensing mode. We're going to do 5 on per server. Click next, computer name. We'll be right back. This is, we're going to do server type. We're going to do standalone, since it's not really a server here. That we don't need a password, so we're just going to click that on out. Here we can make an emergency repair disk. We don't need to make one. Maybe we should, since we got a. Let's make one. We'll do yes. And then we'll select all these. We don't need Windows messaging. We could, let's add it anyway. We don't need it, but we're not going to add it. Next. Click next. Read this. Connect this computer. Do not connect at this time. We don't have it connect to the internet yet. Click next. Click finish. I'm going to check the time here. We're going to do, scroll down to, scroll up to Central Time. We're going to check the VGA adapter. Okay, there we go. Okay. We'll just click OK. I'll have to edit that out and that. Let's set the clock. Click OK, Central Standard Time. Saving configuration. Click, well, okay, level emergency floppy disk into drive A and click OK. I don't know what was on there, but we're going to do it anyway. It's not doing anything. We'll be right back after this. The floppy disk in, we're just going to hit restart and see if it boots. Click enter, hit the enter key. It's booting. There we go. Hit Control Delete. Hit Enter. They log in. And we're here. Damn, that took forever, but it was perfect. Here's the Welcome Center. Welcome to Windows NT, and you can do what's new, help contents, and close. We got it boot. We got it installed. And the program files, games, calculator. Alright, we got it installed. Alright, shut down. And that's the video for today.